nature. It is what I enjoy. It is where I escape to. From the schoolyard where I played soccer to the backyard of my home where I made bonfires, and from when I played soccer with all my friends to the beach that I play volleyball at. To the zoo, where I spent all day outside looking at animals, taking pictures of sunsets. To the beach, California, where me and my best friend enjoyed the view of the water and all the trees and the rock wall. To the tide pools in California, where I spent my last day with my brother. To Santan Mountain, where I made the longest hike. To going on walks outside, enjoying the trees. To a waterfall. Nature is what I love.